Hello everyone, and today in this video I'm going to explain to you what is blockchain, the building block of trust and transparency. Now, I'll give you the introduction to what blockchain is. Blockchain technology has emerged as a groundbreaking innovation with far-reaching implications across various industries. It serves as the underlying technology behind cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, but its applications extend beyond digital currencies. This video explores the concept of blockchain, its key features, its transformative impact it has on trust, transparency, and decentralized system. Understanding blockchain. At its core, a blockchain is a decentralized and distributed digital ledger that records and verifies transactions across multiple computers or nodes. Instead of relying on a central authority, blockchain operates on a network of participants who collectively validate and maintain the ledger. Transactions are grouped into blocks and linked together in a chronological and immutable chain. Now I will tell you about the key features of blockchain. First, decentralization. Blockchain eliminates the need for a central authority by distributing the ledger among multiple nodes. The decentralized structure ensures that no single entity has control or authority over the entire system. Decentralization enhances security, reduces the risks of manipulation, and fosters trust among participants. Number 2. Transparency and immutability. All transactions recorded on the blockchain are transparent and visible to all participants. Once a transaction is added to the blockchain, it becomes immutable, meaning it cannot be altered or tampered with. This transparency and immutability enhance accountability and trust, as every transaction is traceable and auditable. Number 3. Security through cryptography. Blockchain employs advanced cryptographic techniques to secure transactions and protects the integrity of the data. Each transaction is verified through consensus mechanisms, such as proof of work, proof of stake, ensuring that only valid transactions are added to the blockchain. The use of cryptography provides robust security against fraud and unauthorized access. Number 4 and the last one, which is a trustful system. Blockchain enables trust in a trustless environment. Participants can trust the system itself rather than relying on trust in centralized intermediaries. By distributing trust across the network, blockchain fosters a level of planning or playing field and reduces the need for trust in potential fallible or malicious entities. Now we'll talk about the applications of blockchain. Number 1. Cryptocurrencies. The most well-known application of blockchain is its use as the underlying technology for cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Blockchain enables secure peer-to-peer transactions, removing the need for intermediaries like banks. It revolutionized the way value is transferred, stored, and managed. Number 2. Supply chain management. Blockchain offers transparency and traceability in supply chains, enabling more efficient tracking of goods and verifying their origins. It helps to combat counterfeit products, streamline logistics, and enhance trust between different parties in the supply chain. Number 3. Smart contracts. Blockchain facilitates the execution of smart contracts, which are self-executing agreements with predefined conditions encoded into the blockchain. These contracts automatically enforce their terms, reducing the need for intermediaries and enhancing efficiency and trust in contractual relationships. Number 4. Decentralized applications, or dApps for short. Blockchain serves as the foundation for decentralized applications. These applications operate on a blockchain network, providing enhanced security, privacy, and transparency. They offer a wide range of functionalities, including decentralized finance, DeFi for short, decentralized social networks, and decentralized voting systems. Number 5. Data management and identity verification. Blockchain can revolutionize data management by enabling secure and tamper-proof storage for information. It also holds promise in identity verification, allowing individuals to maintain control over their personal data and granting access only when necessary. Now, in the next part, we're going to learn about the challenges and future development of blockchain. While blockchain offers immense potential, it also faces challenges that need to be addressed. Scalability, energy consumption, and regulatory frameworks are among the key areas that require further development and refinement. Efforts are underway to improve blockchain scalability through solutions like sharding and two-layer protocols. Moreover, advancements in consensus algorithms and privacy-enhancing technologies aim to address the limitations of existing blockchain systems. Now, I'm going to tell you about some key aspects of what blockchain really does. Now, we know that basic blockchain is a revolutionary technology that serves as a decentralized and transparent ledger for recording and verifying transactions. It has the potential to transform various industries by offering enhanced security, transparency, and trust in digital interactions. Now, I'm going to tell you some key aspects, and the first one will be secure transaction recording. At its core, blockchain enables you to secure recording of transactions. Each transaction is grouped into a block and added to a chain of previous blocks, forming a chronological and immutable record. The information within each block is cryptographically secured, making it extremely difficult for anyone to tamper or alter with the data. Next, we have number 2, which is decentralization and distributed ledger. Blockchain operates on a decentralized network of computers known as nodes. Instead of relying on a central authority such as a bank or government, the ledger is distributed among these nodes. The decentralization ensures that no single entity has a control over the entire system, making it more resilient to attacks and reducing the risks of a single point of failure. Number 3. Consensus mechanism. Blockchain utilizes consensus mechanisms to validate and agree on the state of the ledger. These mechanisms ensure that all participants on the network can reach a consensus on the validity of transactions and the order in which they are added to the blockchain. Common consensus mechanisms include proof of work, POW, and proof of stake, POS, in short, which provide security and prevent fraudulent or malicious activities. Number 4. Transparency and auditability. One of the key features of blockchain is its transparency. All transactions are recorded on the blockchain are visible to all participants, creating a high level of transparency and accountability. This transparency enhances trust and allows for efficient auditing and verification of transactions, as every participant can verify the integrity of the blockchain independently. Number 5. Smart contracts and programmability. Blockchain enables the execution of smart contracts, which are self-executing agreements with predefined conditions. Smart contracts are programmed into the blockchain and automatically enforce the agreed upon terms upon once the conditions are met. They allow for automation, eliminate the need for intermediaries, and ensure trust and accuracy in contractual relationships. Number 6. Trustless system and trustworthy interactions. Blockchain fosters trust in trustless environments. Participants can engage in transactions and interact with each other without relying on a central authority or requiring prior trust between parties. The trust is embedded in the blockchain's underlying technology, consensus mechanisms, and cryptographic security. Number 7. Enhanced security and data integrity. Blockchain provides robust security through the use of cryptographic techniques. Transactions are encrypted and linked together, making it nearly impossible for unauthorized parties to modify or tamper with the data. The high level of security ensures the integrity and authentication of transactions, reducing the risk of unauthorized access or fraud. Number 8. Applications beyond cryptocurrencies. While blockchain is widely known for its association with cryptocurrencies, its application extends far beyond digital currencies. It has the potential to revolutionize supply chain management, voting systems, identity verification, decentralized finance, healthcare data management, and more. Blockchain's ability to provide transparency, traceability, and security. In conclusion, blockchain is a transformative technology that enables secure and transparent transactions without the need for intermediaries. Its decentralized nature, consensus mechanism, and cryptographic system ensure trust, transparency, and data integrity. With its wide range of applications, blockchain has the potential to reshape industries, foster innovations, and unlock new possibilities in the digital era. Thank you for watching this video.